Style and class. That's what separates boys from men. Do you want supercar-inspired watches to showcase your design sense? How about a survival gadget that you can use to get out of any emergency situation? Sounds fun, right? Well, that's just what we're going to talk about today. Here are the top 5 gadgets all men need in life right now. More of that in a second. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you can stay updated with our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Atoak. Designed and formulated based on the best-in-class supercars, the Atoak is the luxury watch of your dreams. The Atoak showcases style you've never seen before. With its wandering 4-arm wandering hour time display and unmistakable resemblance to the hood of the world's finest supercar, the Atoak lets you make an impression that stays. It's refined, stylish, and makes you look super cool. What more could you want? 2. Sport Multitool. Imagine that you're on a camping trip and decide to eat food. Spoons, forks, bottle openers. You have to carry all this around. Now, what if one tool did all that? Well, the Sport Multitool lets you do just that. A spoon, fork, bottle opener, and emergency screwdriver all in one. The Sport Multitool is the must-have tool when dining out. It's also super lightweight and easy to carry around. This product has a 4.8-star rating with 1,600 reviews and is an Amazon Choice product. 3. OTG Survival Axe Multitool. Accidents happen unexpectedly, and being prepared can help save your life. At times when every second counts and your one mistake might cost you your life, you want to be ready for anything. Be prepared for anything with the OTG Survival Axe Multitool. This bad boy is an axe, a screwdriver, a knife sharpener, a bottle opener, a compass, a thermometer, and a million other things all in one. Anything you need, it's there. This product has a 4.5-star rating with more than 200 reviews. 4. CRKT Exitool Compact. Rust Comer Design. It's always a good thing to check your car before traveling. With increasing accidents every day, you can never be too safe when it comes to driving. Better safe than sorry, right? Well, be safe with the CRKT Exitool, the ultimate safety tool. A seatbelt cutter, a windshield breaker, and a safety tool combined to keep you safe, the CRKT Exitool is the one tool you need in an accident. This product has a 4.6-star rating with more than 200 reviews. 5. S.O.L Origin Waterproof Survival Toolkit. Expect the unexpected with the Survive Outside Longer Origin Waterproof Survival Kit, fitted with every tool you might need to not only survive, but thrive out in the wilderness. The Survive Outside Longer Origin Waterproof Survival Kit has been designed specifically to help keep you safe in the wild. No need to worry about anything with this gadget. Fishing gear, fire starting equipment, rescue signaling gear, and basically anything you might need if you get stranded. It's inside this guy. Best part about it, it's completely waterproof. This gadget has a sweet 4.5-star rating with more than 400 reviews. That was it for this video. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.